It was such a lovely sight to see a turtle in the daylight. Usually you don't see them in the daylight, you mostly see them at night when they come on the shore to lay their eggs. So this was such a once in a lifetime opportunity for us to see this happen. During nesting season, when the turtles come up to lay their eggs, they are not allowed to be disturbed. You're not allowed to touch them, sit on them, disturb them in any way, because they can stop laying their eggs and leave. They also need a lot of natural light and not artificial light sources. Hence the reason why you would see no bright lights when the turtles are laying their eggs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video where I shared my visit to Blanchisseuse and where we saw this turtle. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to share it. Remember to hit the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my videos. Enjoy!